What?
That can't be.
Snack time, I like it.
Care for some Dio.
What difference does it make?
What?
Answer my question. What did you do with
Cookie! Oh, no, you misunderstood. I'm here to be spoon-fed. Cookie!
Call!
What are you doing?
Run for your life!
What the?
Shut your mouth. Answer my question. What did you do with
Cookie!
What the?
My dog, what have we done?
We terminate.
Cookie!
Join me, and together we will rule an entire galaxy of...
Cookie!
What?
That can't be.
Run for your life!
Maxie knows bad. Cookie!
So, Polnareff, do you truly understand now?
Yeah.